Today I'm going to walk you through the assembly of this SmartSpin litter box by PetSafe. I did receive this in exchange for my honest opinion. This was very easy to put together. The first thing you're going to do is put the legs on the bottom of the base like this. The next thing you want to do is find this bracket. It just goes right down here in this hole. Then you have this waste bin right here. One of the first things you'll do is put a deodorizer right in that slot. It does come with two of them. This is what it looks like, so that's really nice. And then you'll want to put a trash bag here in the waste bin. It just hooks on the little hooks right here on the side, so that's very easy to do. And then it just slides under the base just like this. The next thing you want to do is slide these parts into place. You just match up the A with the A. You just attach it right here on this little peg. You put A to A and B to B. This just slides into place just like this. The next step is you're going to insert this little red alignment tool right here, and then you're going to put this white spear on top. Now you're going to screw it together. As you see here, you have these little holes where you're going to put the screws, and you actually want to go crisscross. Don't go around in a circle. You want to make sure you're going from one end to the next end and all around so that you get it nice and equal. Once you have it all screwed down, you can remove the alignment tool from the top. Now you're going to put the litter sifter in right here. Now you're going to place the assembled spear onto the base. You're going to open this lock right here so you can fit that piece in and then lock it right back down. Then you're going to attach these pieces together and they just go right over the top. It's really easy. They just snap in together. And now you have your finished litter box. This was so easy to put together, and this is a product that I definitely recommend.